Want to bring in now Neil Katyal, who argued this case in front of the Supreme Court. Neil, great to talk to you. Your reaction?
Well, I could not be more pleased. The decision's just come down a few minutes ago, and so we're all still studying it, but it looks like a clean win and a vindication for my client Common Cause's position, which was that, over 200 plus years, no one has read the Constitution the way that the Republican National Committee wanted to read it here. And what they wanted to do was gut our system of checks and balances and empower state legislatures to do whatever they wanted in federal elections. And, as I suggested at the oral argument to the court, I can't think of something more un-American than that. And so we're really pleased to see 6 justices agree with our position. And the decision was written by the Chief Justice. I think it's a reflection of him looking at the issues and saying, yeah, it can't possibly be what the challengers are saying it is here.
Neil, I know you have confidence in the arguments that you presented in front of the court, but with that in mind, are you at all surprised by this decision, considering the conservative-leaning court and the precedent they have set?
Well, there was certainly a lot of commentary all through the 18 months or so of this case that this court is too biased, that they interpret things a certain way, and that there's no way we could win, and that this was a way to give the Republicans major control over federal elections. And I just didn't buy that. Maybe because I'm a Supreme Court lawyer and my job is to argue there. But in the end, I do think that history can provide clear answers to questions, and the structure of our Constitution can. And, my job and my team's job was to really make that clear. I was really pleased to be joined on my team as my co-counsel, Judge Michael Luttig, one of the most respected conservative jurists before he left the bench. And I think what that underscored was just the Constitution is truly above politics, and there's a way to do constitutional law that reflects, our history and traditions and our structure and our values. And Judge Luttig joining this team was a big part of that reflection and the story that we wanted to tell, which is the American story.